Hi there, I'm Ed Hattenberger, Senior Color Scientist at X-Rite Pantone. Today I want to share a bit about our amazing customer, Gigabyte, and their incredible commitment to delivering top-notch color quality on their displays. Gigabyte has truly been a trailblazer in the journey towards color excellence. They were the first to jump on board with X-Rite's custom color profiles. In their factory, every Gigabyte display is carefully color managed to ensure it performs at its best and stays consistent. But their dedication doesn't stop there. Gigabyte has taken it a step further by adding Pantone Validation. This means that every color you see on their displays is true to life. From precise color matching to thorough quality checks, the Pantone validated process ensures that Gigabyte's displays meet the highest standards of color fidelity. Experience the difference with Gigabyte's Pantone validated displays. It's quality you can see and performance you can trust. Don't forget to follow Gigabyte on social media and check out their website for more information.